We're at a depth of 828 meters. Our temperature is 4.7 degrees, and we are off the coast of the northeastern United States, diving in Hydrographer Canyon on the east wall. And we're at a transition zone here along the slope. To the left, there's large rock blocks and more of a soft sediment slope. You can even see the little pinnules on each individual tentacle. So this does appear to be the white morph of Paragorgia. Anthothela hanging underneath the ledge. A few cup corals.
Squat lobster on the top.
So we're trying to get a good image here of what appears to be Lophelia pertusa. So what do we think? Is this Lophelia? Oh great, orange morph of Lophelia pertusa. We've had a strong current all day coming from the south-southeast. A lot of particulate matter in the water column, or we call it marine snow.
Now you can see two eyes, and it's changed. It looks like it's changed again.
Your baby octopus.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about. It looks like it's hatched in the 10 minutes that we've been here.
It does look now like it's actually peering out of the egg case. Right. It's moved a little bit, yeah. That's true. I see some other zoanthids just to the lower right. More eggs in there? Yeah, on the left-hand side you can see more eggs. It may be interesting for listeners to know that for the octocorals anyway, the color may be created by pigments that are in the tissue or pigments that are in the microskeletal elements, or both.
Right, and the skeletal elements that Scott's talking about are called sclerites. They're made out of calcium carbonate in most cases.
That's a terrific image. You'll also notice along the branch that the polyps are kind of hanging downwards. That's typical of a lot of primnoids, the way they peek out of their scale of armor.
We're in Hydrographer Canyon. We are predominantly looking for deep sea coral communities, sponge communities, and all of the associates.
That cup coral right there is different. Do you see that, guys? Can we get a zoom in on that red and white cup coral above the shrimp?
Yeah, but what you do see is no colonization on it compared to the,
Right, this is a relatively recent event.
Yeah. So Peter asked a question earlier about what natural event could make corals go away and regrowth. Could this be a case of something like that? Something falls down and knocks things off?
Video on stream 3 is great right now. Either eggs or possibly internally fertilized eggs, but more likely eggs.
What about surface brooding? Do some of these corals brood on the surface and also brood larvae on the surface of the colonies?
Soft corals can be brooders, but they're probably encapsulated by tissue. I think they would probably be a bit vulnerable, just stuck on the surface.
That's a huge one. Estimate maybe 2.5 meters wide, meter and a half tall.